Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go!
Figure 1 tells this fast. Spot which region sometimes appears in mature mRNA because that pattern reveals an intron. Watch this. It is super quick. In Figure 1, peaks show how often each region appears in mature transcripts, so a region present every time is probably kept, while a region showing up inconsistently could be spliced out. Now compare the regions. 2 and 4 have stronger, steadier representation, which fits segments commonly retained in mature mRNA, not an intron that disappears from some finished transcripts. Region 6 shows a noticeable drop, meaning it appears in some mature transcripts, but not others, so this variable presence makes option D best.
Well done! Option D. Scan now. Trap, don't rush past the graph signs.
Roll, trust the given pattern, and check each step carefully.